La République En Marche, sometimes called simply En Marche, as its original name, is a centrist and liberal political party in France. The party was founded on the 6th of April 2016 by Emmanuel Macron, a former Minister of Economy, Industry and Digital Affairs, who was later elected President of the French Republic in the 2017 presidential election with 66.1% of the second-round vote. Presented as a pro-European party, Macron considers LREM to be a progressive movement, uniting both the left and the right. Following that year's presidential election, the party ran candidates in the 2017 legislative election, including dissidents from the Socialist Party, while collecting only 15.7% of the vote on the first round, and 20.9% on the second round. Its ally, the Democratic Movement, secured 42%. LREM accepts globalization and wants to modernize and moralize French politics, combining social and economic liberalism. It is positioned mainly in the center, although it has also been described as center-right. The movement generally accepts members from other parties at a higher rate than other political parties in France, and does not impose any fees on members who want to join. The party, which is seen as the pro-European party in France, has been a member of the European parliamentary group Renew Europe since June 2019. La Gauche Libre, the think tank for the movement, was declared as an organization on 1 March 2015. Afterwards, Les Jeunes avec Macron.fr was registered as a domain on 23 June 2015. Eventually, 2 Facebook pages were created and an extra domain registered. Another organization was eventually created by Macron, declared as l'Association pour le renouvellement de la vie politique and registered as a micro-party in January 2016. This was following en-marche.fr being claimed as a domain. L'Association pour le renouvellement de la vie politique was then registered as En Marche in March 2016. En Marche was founded on 6 April 2016 in Amiens by Emmanuel Macron, then aged 38, with the help of political advisor Ismaël Emilian. The initials of the name of the party are the same as the initials of Macron's name. The announcement of En Marche was the first indication by Macron that he was planning to run for president, with Macron using En Marche to fundraise for the potential presidential run. The launch of the party was widely covered throughout the media, and media coverage continued to peak as tensions rose among Macron and other government ministers as his loyalty was questioned. In the weeks following the creation of En Marche, Macron soared in the opinion polls, coming to be seen as the main competitor on the left. The creation of En Marche was welcomed by several political figures including Najat Vallaud-Belkacem, Jean-Pierre Raffarin and Pierre Gattaz, although it was also criticized by Jean-Luc Mélenchon and Christian Estrosi. In an attempt to create the party's first campaign platform, Macron and head of operations Ludovic Charcot recruited 4,000 volunteers to conduct door-to-door surveys of 100,000 people, using the information gained to create a program closer to the French electorate. Later that year, Charcot structured the movement and became the first general secretary of Emmanuel Macron's party En Marche, and its first official employee. He was then appointed as deputy general secretary and coordinator of Macron's campaign operations for the 2017 French presidential election. La République En Marche ran candidates in most constituencies. At least half its candidates came from civil society, the other half having previously held political office, and half were women. Candidates could not be selected for more than one constituency. In addition to those parameters, Macron specified in his initial press conference on 19 January that he would require that candidates demonstrate probity, political plurality and efficacy. Those wishing to seek the endorsement of République En Marche had to sign up online, and the movement received nearly 15,000 applications. When dealing with nominations sought by those in the political world, the party considered the popularity, establishment and media skills of applicants, with the most difficult cases adjudicated by Macron himself. to present themselves under the label of La République En Marche. Outgoing deputies had to leave the Socialist Party or the Republicans. Macron previously said the legislative candidates would have to leave the PS before they could join République En Marche, though on the 5th of May 2017 Macron waived this requirement. However, then La République En Marche spokesperson Christophe Castaner later said they could stay in the PS as long as they supported Macron. Moreover, spokesperson Jean-Paul Delevoye said the members of civil society could be mayors or members of regional councils and departmental councils. After François Bayrou endorsed Macron in February, the Democratic Movement, which he leads, reserved 90 constituencies for Madame Candy.